Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at the best stroller organizer cup holder bag currently on the market. A product that blends elegance, practicality, and compatibility in one sleek package. Let's face it, parenting on the go can be chaotic. From diapers to bottles to your own iced coffee, there's always something to carry. That's where this luxury Stroller Caddy organizer steps in to save the day. From the moment you open the box, you can tell this isn't your average stroller bag. It feels premium in every way. The material is high quality, durable, and chic, with a design that doesn't scream baby gear. Instead, it adds a touch of class to your stroller setup. The standout feature? Definitely the leather straps. They're not just about style. They secure the organizer snugly to your stroller handles without sliding or sagging. Its universal fit means you can use it with popular models like the Duna, Nuna, and UPPAbaby strollers. You won't need to buy separate attachments or worry about compatibility. Just hook it up, and you're good to go. Now let's talk space, because this bag has it in spades. Measuring about 13.8 inches long, 6.5 inches wide, and 5.1 inches deep, it's built to carry all your essentials. There's a place for everything. 2 dedicated cup holders for bottles or drinks, a central compartment for snacks, wipes, or diapers, and a zippered pocket to keep your phone or keys safe. The internal layout is clearly well thought out. It's the kind of design that anticipates what you need before you even realize you need it. Out on the town or during everyday strolls, this bag makes transitions smoother. Instead of digging through a large, cluttered diaper bag, your most used items are within arm's reach. The side cup holders are deep and secure, meaning your drinks stay upright even when the path gets bumpy. One particularly thoughtful touch is the zippered section. It's ideal for things like credit cards, pacifiers, or even makeup items you don't want floating around. And because everything's organized and easy to access, you can keep your eyes on your child and your hands on the stroller. Exactly where they should be. We also love how the design doesn't clash with your stroller. Whether you have a minimalist black stroller or something more colorful, this bag blends in seamlessly thanks to its neutral tones and refined design. It's stylish without being flashy. After using it over multiple outings, the durability really stands out. The material doesn't stain easily, and it wipes clean with no hassle. For parents juggling everything from nap schedules to grocery lists, this is one of those accessories that quietly transforms your daily routine. It's not bulky, it's not over-engineered, it's just smart design, well executed. To wrap it up, the luxury Stroller Caddy organizer isn't just a convenience, it's an essential. From its beautiful leather straps to its roomy, intuitive compartments, it strikes the perfect balance between fashion and function. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, give us a like, subscribe for more baby gear reviews, and drop a comment if you want us to review another parenting essential. See you next time.